So here's an interesting problem in language C. Let's see how many of you can solve it. Just pause the video and try it for a few seconds and just tally out the answer from me. So I'm going to start with the solution. First, I'll give what the output is really. The output comes out to be -1, -1. Or to be precise, the output will be exactly -1, plus I equal to -1. That's strange, but why is that? So we're going to see why. Here we declared an integer I equal to -1. And where the most of the people get wrong is the plus I. What does this mean? Here the plus I is nothing but a unary operator. And what is this unary operator? It's a dummy operator. It's a dummy unary operator. What does it do? It's a dummy operator. You can straight out neglect it. You can ignore it and move forward. It won't affect the value of I. But why do we have this dummy operator in C? Anyways, so the I remains unchanged, whether here and here. And simply you're going to ignore the plus unary operator here too. And here it does not, it does a simple print. So we'll let the plus remain here. That's why the output of this simple program is -1, -1. So you like C, huh?